Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to talk about NTA, National Test Abhyas NEET, test number 10. So, here 1 to 15 questions we are going to see in this video. Here, in this question, dash is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. GA1, GA2, GA3, GA4, among which this GA3, which will help in germination of, that is, it has a greater alpha amylase. So this alpha amylase is used to germination of barley. Germination of barley. So this increased malt production. So this one is increased the malt production. So GA3 is used for, majority of GA3 is used for brewing industry. Identify the following. Identify the following statement true or false. True or false based on what? Genetic diversity. See, genetic diversity. See, first of all, you pick out which one is true and which one is false. Here, genetic diversity. You carefully read the question. Genetic diversity is the diversity shown by a single species at genetic level. Yes, it is true. It is total genetic information contained in all individuals of the community. So this is not, it will not show total genetic information, only that particular individual it will show. So this sentence is false. Rauwolfia vomitoria shows the variation in the terms of concentration, active chemical, reserpine. So this is true. Here, India has more than 50,000 genetically different strains of rice, not strains of mango. So this is also false. So true, false, true, false. So first of all, you take, how will you take? A is true. Which one is A is true? Here these two are A false. So leave these two options. Go for this. Up to which one is applicable? Go for B. B here it is true. No, from our answer it is false. So you need not select A. So answer is B. Next, in flowering plants, meiosis takes place at the time of seed germination. So seed is formed after meiosis only. So this is not the option. Bud formation, no. Bud is before flower it will form. Formation of pollen grain. Formation of pollen grain. Pollen grain is formed after microspore mother cell undergo meiotic division. It forms a pollen grain. So this is true. Don't leave another option. You read. Formation of root tip. No, this is not the answer. So this is the answer. Next one is C2 cycle is studied in C4 plant, those showing photorespiration, both C4 and showing photorespiration, none of the above. None of the above, you leave it. Here in C4 plant it will not find C2 cycle. It is taking place in photorespiration. So this is answer you can take. Then observe C option. Here both C4 and showing photorespiration. So both C4 and photorespiration is given. Why we are not taking this option? Because C4 is given. So the answer is B. Next one is, which of the following statement is correctly packed? Here, this Zn is an activator of nitrogenous base, nitrogenase during nitrogen fixation. No. Then MO, that is molybdenum, activator of alcohol dehydrogenase. No. Mg2 plus activator of phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Yes. Copper, activator of Rubisco. Here it is It is activator of both ribulose biphosphate, carboxylase deoxygenase and phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. So both critical enzyme in photosynthetic carbon fixation. But this one is alcohol. This Zn plus 2 is used for alcohol dehydrogenase. MO for nitrogen is during nitrogen metabolism. It is used for nitrogen metabolism. So this is not the answer. Why it is not? We are not picking this as an answer. It is used for alcohol dehydrogenase. Then molybdenum nitrogenase during nitrogen metabolism. So answer is, this is not the answer. Answer is Mg2 plus active. Next one is backflow of fecal matter in the large intestine is prevented by the presence of, that is, backflow of fecal matter large intestine to small intestine. So large intestine to sphincter of Oddi, it is not. See here, ileocecal wall, gastroesophageal sphincter, pyloric sphincter. First of all, where it is, which one is, where do you find this one? Sphincter of Oddi, it is not in large intestine. Then ileocecal wall, it is in large intestine. This gastroesophageal sphincter, it is present between stomach and esophagus. Then pyloric sphincter, it is stomach and duodenum. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. So this is the answer. Sphincter muscle also not the. Here in this question, which of the following is correct with respect to? Keyword is correct. Sperms of fertile male. Here at least 40%. 40% is half of the percentage, below half of the percentage. So if it is 50%, somehow it is normal. Below 40%, it is not a fertile one. Above average, it is normal. Average is normal, above normal. So it is good. So 60% is good, because here only the 60% is having only motility without normal shape and size. This is also not useful. So 60% with normal size and shape, it is useful. So here, why this option is not possible? Because 40% of the sperm is normal size, but 60% motility. That means it is controversial, no? So it is not a correct answer. So answer is at least 60% of the sperm must have normal shape. And which of the following statement are correct with aerobic muscle? Aerobic muscle means in presence of oxygen, it will, the cells will respire. Okay, oxygen needed. So for oxygen needed, and it will be utilized for ATP. For ATP production, you need mitochondria. So more mitochondria it needs. Such muscle contain red colored oxygen storing pigment called myoglobin. Yes. Such muscle contain large number of mitochondria. This is also right. They are also called red fibers. This is also right. So answer is all of this. Answer is all of this. Following is the illustration of the sequence of ovarian event A to I. Here A to I picture is given. We have to find out what is the stage of this developing follicle. So here we have to find out developing follicle, mature follicle, then corpus luteum. Three things we have to find out. Developing follicle. So from A to D, you see this developing follicle. Follicle is developing stage by stage. So A to D is developing follicle. A to D, developing follicle. Then E and F. E and F is. Next is mature follicle. You see, this is mature follicle, it is ruptured, no? So this is matured and then it is ruptured. So mature follicle. Then G to I. G to I is corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. So this is a sequence. We have to check the option. A to D, E to F, G to I. Where it is. A to D is mature follicle. So this is not the option. A to D is developing follicle. This is okay. It is mature follicle, corpus luteum. So this is the option. So these and all not the answer. For next is the electron transport system present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Complex 1 and 4 are respectively. Which one is complex 1 and 4? Here it is given only 1 and 4. Don't take 2 and 3 and all. So only 1 and 4. Nitrogenous 1 and 4 is nitrogenous dehydrogenase. So NADH dehydrogenase and cytochrome C oxidase. These two are the complex. So where the option is? So this is not the option. Any DH2 NADH dehydrogenase, this is not the option. Then C NADH dehydrogenase and cytochrome C oxidase. So this is the option. This is also not the option. Here 1 and 4 only they are asking. So option C. Answer is option C. Next is, which of the following consider living fossil? Living fossil. What is living fossil? Closer relatives. What is closer? See, actually it has remained unchanged. Its closer relatives are extinct. Closer relatives are extinct. It is not evolutionary trend. It is maintain its character from the beginning. Its closely related species are extinct. That is living fossil. So here Locusta is not a living fossil. Dentalium is not a living fossil. Limulus is a living fossil. So answer is Limulus. Which of the following is common characteristic feature of earthworm, leech, centipede? Here, earthworm, leech, centipede are under arthropod. Annelid. Annelids. So it has many legs. So earthworm only it is not having leg. Other two are having legs. So this option goes wrong. So then they have Malpighian tubule. No. They have hermaphrodite. Some earthworm is hermaphrodite, but other two no. So they have ventral nerve cord. This is the option, correct option. So go for C. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within, that is 72 hours of coitus, ovulation, menstruation, implantation. So this is not the option. So this is the correct answer, 72 hours of coitus. A chronic disorder in which alveolar walls are damaged in asthma, emphysema, occupational respiratory disorder, pneumonia. See, what is this? Asthma. Asthma is a respiratory disorder. Occupational disorder, this one. Pneumonia is also, it is a disorder. Here, the respiratory disorder. Emphysema. What is emphysema? It is a chronic disorder in alveolar wall. It is present in the alveolar wall. It damages alveolar wall. So respiratory surface will be decreased. Respiratory surface decreased. See, when it is, what is the emphysema? Alveolar wall is damaged. It is a chronic disorder. Alveolar wall damaged, first point. Due to that, respiratory surface is decreased. One of the major cause what is the major cause for alveolar wall damage? That is cigarette smoking. So cigarette smoking makes emphysema. So alveolar walls are damaged. This disease called emphysema. So answer is B. The main function of phloem is translocation of water, mineral, air, food. See, for water and mineral, xylem is conducting water and mineral. So this is not an option. Air, it will not conduct any air. So this is also not an option. So phloem conducts is a translocation of food. This is the answer.